telling you. Okay?
Unlawful order?
Yes.
And you guys been on YouTube yet? Is
It's
that
not
illegal?
something that we want right now.
Is that? It's not something you want, but is it illegal? I'm gonna walk all through your cars because I'm an American and I'm allowed to move around freely. I'm gonna do it because I'm allowed to. You
Stay
can't do
over here.
anything because I'm not breaking the law and you don't like it.
I can also
That's what
tell
this
you
is.
to stay over there.
I don't care what you're telling. Look, I'm gonna keep moving around. Hey, get a real job, you guys. What's up, everybody, and welcome back to another episode. This is my own footage from the other night when we were filming in Phoenix, Arizona with Tempe Against Police Violence. She films Close Up and MCW Joker. Be sure to go check out their channels. I'll have them linked in the description and the pinned comment. Now, call me crazy, but I don't think these cops wanted us there. Check this out. And don't forget to hit the thumbs up button.
Telling me, or are you asking?
I'm telling you. Okay?
Unlawful order?
Yes.
What is your name and badge number?
I don't have to give that to you.
You just gave me a lawful order. What is your name and badge
You
number?
need to step back.
What is your name and badge
Step back
number?
behind the car.
I'm behind this one, like you said. What is your name and
Okay, but
badge
you
number?
were starting to walk over here,
What
okay?
is your name and badge
So
number?
just stay over there.
What is your name and badge number? You just gave me a lawful order.
Just stay back.
What is your name and badge number?
You need to stay out of the scene. That's all I'm asking.
I'm out of your scene.
Like I said,
Gave a lawful order though.
you can feel free to record all you want. But you need to stay back because you started walking up.
I was gonna walk around. You don't know what I'm gonna do. I need a supervisor or a sergeant.
I understand that. We'll get you on here in a minute.
This guy's refusing to give his name and badge number.
All I'm trying to do is document your guys'
I understand that. I just said feel free to record all you want, man. But
And
the
I
second
was-
you start
I was-
walking towards my guys, I have a problem, okay? Because their backs are turned to you.
You wanna walk
that's
with
it.
me?
No, you can walk around that way, right? There is another route that you can take.
Okay.
And there's no scene established, so we can walk all through there. DPS policy is a little bit different about identifying too. See, what's gonna suck for them is when HB 2319 passes, I could be right over here, 8 foot. As long as I can fall forward and I can't touch nobody, I can be this close. That's HB 2319 for you. Allows us to be 8 foot. That's the new law you guys want to pass. Genius. Makes us get closer. All that officer safety shit, out the window. 21 foot. The 21 foot rule, out the window.
That's not even what the 21-foot rule is, sir.
What is the 21-foot rule? Somebody with a handheld weapon can reach you in 21 feet, right?
Yep,
That's what it is. I know what I'm talking about. I'm
coming
talking
up
about a
and
new law
recording
that's
right
going to
here.
allow us to be closer than your training does. Eight foot. Right now, there's no restrictions. Is this a crime scene right here? How come you guys don't have it set up like a
We are
crime scene?
conducting an investigation. That is why I'm asking you to stay over here.
Any of you guys been on YouTube yet?
You can't even film inside a vehicle.
Why not?
Hey, they can film inside a vehicle.
Well, I asked them to stay over here.
You're asking me. But see, I have the freedom of movement as an American.
Okay, well, we're conducting an investigation.
I'm not
all
doing
right?
anything illegal,
Walking
am I?
in between our vehicles
Is that
not
illegal?
something that we want right now.
Is that? It's not something you want, but is it illegal? Having your cat open is disseminating information to the public, which is a policy violation. It's not anything that I can get in trouble for. It's something you can get in trouble for. Just FYI, I'm
Yeah,
not trying to
but
be
you
an
walked
asshole.
up
It
going
doesn't
to
matter.
record
Do
it.
your job right.
So
Close your
that's
cat. If you got a crime scene going on, set it up like a crime scene. Where's the detective? I know how to do your job better than you, asshole. Don't tell me nothing. I'm gonna walk all through your cars until you establish some kind of shit because I'm an American and I'm allowed to move around freely. I'm gonna do it because I'm allowed to. You
Stay
can't do
over here.
anything because I'm not breaking the law and you don't like it.
can also
That's what
tell
this
you to
is.
stay over
I
there.
don't care what you're telling. Look, I'm gonna keep moving around. Unless I'm doing something illegal, suck my ass. Now you want to bark, now I'm gonna move around. I'm not wearing any silver bracelets and I just did what you told me not to. It's amazing. We are at Indian School in 27th Ave. You cold?
Not just angry.
So they're bringing them out of the vehicle.
Even with them coming out of cuffs, I'll step back just a couple more feet to make you happy.
No, I appreciate it.
And I hope at the end of this all, we can come to the conclusion.
I ain't got any.
Right, under your policy, you gave me a lawful order. I'm gonna need your name and badge number.
See, don't make the mistake of arresting somebody that literally has the ARS literature in their pocket.
Well, you don't know what's going on. So.
It doesn't matter, dude. I know the laws. That's what's important. You're out here enforcing laws. I'm very familiar with the laws.
Actually, you know what? If I give you my name right now, will you give me yours?
I
Nah.
don't want your name. Get out of the road, man.
Unless he's obstructing the roadway, don't say anything to him. There's no jaywalking in Arizona. See, this is the part about knowing the laws. If you see a car brake or you see somebody screech or a horn, then he's obstructed the roadway and you can say something. But upon your first contact, it's a warning. You're not supposed to identify or issue any tickets. This would be construed as a first warning you saying something to him right now. Good job, officer. I'm educated. Just remember, there's no legal term for jaywalking. It's obstructing a roadway.
See, they ripped the shit out of his shirt.
And they just give him a ticket? Yeah, I want to. This is his car?
Yeah.
Alright, so my assessment on the situation. They did alright in comparison to what you see on this channel. Yeah, sure, they threw around a few unlawful orders, but they weren't followed up by threats of arrest or acts of aggression towards us. They didn't try to play Mesa's trespass games. They just really didn't like us there, and we could tell by their attitudes. But that's it. Now, there are a lot of you that watch my channel and haven't subscribed yet. If you like what you're watching, I encourage you to subscribe. There's a method behind the madness, trust me. Hey bro, can I talk to you?
Yeah.